Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm happy to announce the big winner of the Banggood 1111 $111 giveaway. In order to participate, all you have to do is just to make sure to be subscribed to my channel, turn on the notification bell and leave a comment below the video. And the big winner is going to win $111 for shopping at Banggood. So he or she will need to send me a list of items that adds up to $111 and I will have it directly shipped from Banggood. Now I'm going to select two random commenters using the YouTube random comment picker tool. The first person I'm going to pick is going to win the $111 for Banggood shopping, and the second one, the runner-up, is going to win it in case the first one is not going to show up until the 1st of December. In total, we had 230 unique commenters, and without further ado, I'm going to select the first one, the big winner. And the big winner is Gautier Baron. Gautier Baron. This is his profile. Let's check the channels to make sure that he's subscribed. And yes, he is subscribed to my channel. So congratulations, Gautier. You just won $111 for shopping at Banggood. Now I'm going to select the runner-up in case Gautier is not going to show up. And the runner-up is Iomit1, who commented, "Awesome gal, thank you, you're welcome." I'm just going to make sure that Ryomit is subscribed to my channel as well. And let's see, all the subscriptions. And you can see that Ryomit is subscribed as well. So congratulations, Ryomit. In case Gautier is not going to show up, you're going to win the prize. And I'm going to leave my email down below, so make sure both of you to contact me and I'm going to take care of you. As I mentioned on my last giveaway, if you didn't win, don't contact me regarding the giveaway because I'm going to make sure that you are who you claim you are, so don't waste my time and don't waste yours. So thank you guys for participating in the giveaway and thanks Banggood for sponsoring it, and I will see you soon on my next videos. Goodbye.